Hello everyone, welcome again. In this section, we'll discuss the working of Playlist Manager, which is here towards the right. The Playlist Manager, it basically allows the user to create and manage playlists. And this is what a Playlist Manager screen would look like. Here, one can create playlists and can add to it as many reports as desired, and the created playlist could be used during a call. Another important point here is the playlist manager cannot be used during the progress of a call. So let's start. Firstly, a playlist is created and then reports are added to it. To create a playlist, hit add and give a name to it, say playlist 1, and say create. The playlist is created. Now hit the load button next to it, and to add reports, select add new reports, and this opens up the folders on your system from where the WAV or MP3 files can be added. By files here I mean that they can be anything. For example, music files, pre-recorded files, interview sessions or announcements, or just anything. Just save it. So you can add something like country, WAV, and that's incorrect. Okay. So you can add something, say Madonna, open, and this gets added. To save it, hits select Madonna, save, and save, and yes. So the playlist with the report madonna.wav file is being saved, and here you have a preview button which would give the length of the file, which says it's 31 seconds long, and there is another option of trimming the files, that is by selecting the start and stop points to it. There is also a reset option. So this is how playlist is created. Every time you need to access the playlist, just go to playlist manager, hit load, and you can see all the playlists. You have to add another one, select some other file and add to it, and say save as, and this gets saved. Very simple. Thank you. In the Algo Professional STL broadcast, there are two modes. One is the studio and the other one is transmitter. And to select these modes, go to the tools in the menu bar, select options and STL configuration. Here, when the STL studio is selected, its respective features, that is auto dial, auto reconnect, auto login and launch, get automatically checked. And below this, there's an auto dial list, and this list shows up the contacts in the phone book of the user. To this auto dial list, contacts can be added or removed as and when required. So if I have two contacts in the auto dial list, I update it and then I save it. So here you can see that the phone book only shows up the contacts of the auto dial list, and there is also an indication on the below of the screen which shows that the STL studio is selected. Now for the transmitter, similarly, go back to options and STL configuration, uncheck STL studio and select STL transmitter. When this is checked, its features auto answer, auto login and launch are automatically checked. However, the auto dial list is inactive here. Save up the settings, and when you go back, you can see the STL transmitter indication on the screen and all the contacts in the list. Thank you.